Hi, Josh Davis from Mail Shark here, welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is the rundown.
Welcome to this week's episode of The Rundown. Kevin, great to see you again. I'm going to jump right in. I was on LinkedIn. I saw our friends over at Market Genie with an interesting stat looking at year-over-year growth, comparing August 25 to 24. Sales are up, although marginally at 1.7%. Car count remains flat, so better job on the phones, better job DDI process. What are you seeing on your side for sales?
I think this is going to be part of a larger trend that we start seeing. We've talked about before, people keeping their vehicles longer. I think they're doing these kind of larger chunks of repairs, and then you go into a bit of a quiet period. So before we had the big Labor Day travel period, right? The week before that, we had records, 338,000 ROs created, 184 million in attached revenue, 50,000 digital vehicle inspections sent to customers. So giant workload swaths across the entire US and Canada in terms of work happening. And then going into fall and winter, it's probably going to fall back a little bit. I know you have a few pieces on that you wanted to talk about.
Yeah, absolutely. We saw almost the week before the holiday. It's continuing. Numbers are down. Sales are down, according to Market Genie, 5.27%. Car count's down almost 5% as well. I think it's going to continue, especially now that back to school's in session. Really be methodical about your Q4 marketing plan. Money's going to get tight. Presents are coming into the picture. So just be very mindful of your VBACs, your deferred services and all that. Kevin, back to our favorite section that we've been doing for a couple of weeks now, the feel good. What do you got for us?
I love this story. Anytime that I can highlight something good happening within our own organization or our customer base is always really exciting to me. So Jason Wells, who's the founder of Mechanics of Faith, Shopware customer, uses shop management. They provide nonprofit services to individuals that cannot afford to repair their vehicles. As we do the social post for this, I'm going to include a link because I think it's a really great opportunity for us to crowdsource, for us to give visibility to this across all of aftermarket and really recognize the work that Jason has put in and maybe help give a little bit back as well. Thanks everybody for joining the rundown. We'll see you in a couple weeks.